Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my princess and my prince. I greet you, our elders.
Ndishie, I'm aware you all know her. The reason she is still in this palace is because I'm yet to conclude investigations on her. But the purpose is she is standing before you today is because she said she has an interpretation to my dream.
Igwe, why don't you go straight to the point and tell them the reason I requested for their presence?
What? Are you the one that requested for our presence? How?
As they cannot understand what is going on.
Then shut up and listen to Igwe.
Oh, no.
He's the one that called you people, not me.
Urena, do you realize that you're talking to the elders of this land? Do you?
Why don't you shut up and allow your father to talk, my prince? Igwe, go ahead.
Ndishi, I asked her to give me the interpretation and he said that she is going to do that on one condition. That I invite all of you to the palace so that she can be guaranteed of her appeal.
No, what appeal is she talking about? She has no right to...
No, shut up.
Hey.
Allow Igwe to talk. You don't even know what we're talking about. Well, Igwe, before I interpret or make my appeal, I would appreciate if you ask the princess and the queen to leave.
What? Are you asking me out from my own house? Urena.
Oh no! What is going on? Who is she to ask the queen and the princess out before the Igwe?
Shut up and listen. Igwe, are they also aware that you had another dream where the royal household was slaughtered? I bet they don't know. Before I make my interpretations, I want the queen and the princess to excuse us.
Sweetheart.
Igwe, thank you for your maximum cooperation.
Down. Did you see that girl? You see that girl? Oh, I will teach her the lesson of her life for humiliating me in my own home. Who does that?
Mother, I understand how you feel, but we need to endure all of her excesses so that she can give an interpretation to Father's dream, and then we will keep her where she truly belongs.
Can you imagine? She asking me out of my own home that I should hold on. For what?
Honestly, I don't know what has gotten over that girl.
No problem. Let all this pass. I will make sure I drive her out of this palace to the evil forest where she belongs.
Mother, talking about that, don't know what appeal she's coming up with. From all that I'm seeing, she might appeal for freedom.
And I will be against that. Yes, I will make sure she gets the punishment she deserves according to the tradition of this land.
Mother, she knows about Father's second dream. I'm beginning to get scared of that girl.
I don't care. I don't care to know who she is or what she's all about. What I care is for her to go out of this palace, for her to go and rest, chill with the beast in the evil forest. She's trying this.
Brother, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
You're not fine. Look at you. Have you sweat all over you?
I said I'm fine.
Brother, please just tell me. Just tell me, what's the problem?
I said I'm fine. Look at me. I'm okay.
Okay. Anyway, if you say you are fine, let me just go and bring your food.
Come bring it.
Brother.
I said I'm fine. Believe me, I'm okay.
Okay.
What have I done? Me Momo. Someone will think I'm running mad. Oh. Please. Hey!
She's trying to prove her innocence, a child of destiny.
Hey! Give me one.
No, okay, Philmond. My old banana. Just tell me whatever you want and I'll do for you.
It's simple. Very simple. Take me inside.
Sounds interesting. If I'm going to take you inside, I'll give it to you like never before.
There. I surrender all. I surrender all. Take me inside, give it to me like never before.
Oh! Baby, you just slapped me.
Why would I slap you? No, I'm not slapping.
She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching, preparing their
My daughter, you said you have interpretation to my dream. Go ahead. I am ready to grant all your requests.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe, the vulture in your dream represents the kingship of this kingdom, while the Wanza represents an enemy in disguise. Men looking at the Wanza, which is the enemy, looks very friendly, harmless from afar. But deep down, it is harmful. Wanza have come into the palace to understand the scenario and the kingship of the kingdom. Nobody suspected Wanza. That's why Wanza was able to penetrate the royal household so that he can execute his plan. Then the second one Your second dream is the accomplishment of the plans of the enemies.
Your Majesty, please permit me to ask you.
Go ahead.
This kingdom has been in existence for long, without enemies, in and outside the palace. Who then is the enemy in disguise? And how do we identify him or her?
I don't know how we can identify him or her, but I know that I have what it takes to identify him or her. That's why my presence is needed in the palace.
My elders, sorry to interrupt you all. Father, we've just heard the interpretation of your two dreams. It's about an enemy who's about to come in and strike. And Orenda says that she knows who that person is. And now I charge you to tell me who that person is.
I can't remember saying I know who he or she is. I only said I have what it takes to dictate the person. That is what I said. My king, can I go ahead and make my appeal now?
Go ahead.
Your Majesty.
My king has already given an order. You are nobody to stop it. I have two appeals, my king. First one, I will make now. The second one will be later, as time goes on. I am appealing to be your personal bodyguard. With me in this palace and around you, the evil ones will not be able to execute their plans.
Your Majesty, can I say something?
No, you cannot say something. I am having a conversation with His Majesty. Yes, I've already started my work as the personal guard to His Majesty. Oh no, you and your cabinet members may leave. The Igwe needs to rest. I said I have assumed my office.
Now we should go.
You might be the enemy you're talking about. Leave if I treat you as well.
Hey.
I said leave.
Igwe.
Oh, please don't constitute me.
Okay.
And make sure you don't come here uninvited. Thank you. My prince, are you okay?
When she even asked us to leave, I expected that Igwe will caution her. Hey, Igwe could not even utter a word. Eh?
What about the crime she was accused of? Has that one gone just like that?
I am confused. See, I need to get home and digest what happened in there. I cannot analyze this here.
Right. Although, do you know, I am as confused as you are. Huh? Just like you pointed out. Let's go home and digest the whole thing that happened today.
Can you even see? Even the prince could not say a thing. Did she charm all of them?
Chief Odu, we cannot solve this puzzle here.
Hey!
Huh?
Exactly.
Let's go.
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy, and they planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is who's the enemy?
Aruka.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Where's my mother? Thank you so much. Where's Mama?
Mama!
Ure baby mo. Ure mwam.
Mama!
Hey! Ogobeya! Is that you?
Yes, Mama. I am happy seeing you again.
My daughter.
I hope I'm not dreaming, no.
No, you're not. This is me, live and direct.
Has Igwe sent you free?
No, nobody sent me free. I set myself free.
Did you escape from the palace?
Escape, Ukwamoa. I don't need to escape from the palace. But I'm free indeed.
Hey!
The thing is, Igwe needed somebody to interpret his dream and I was able to interpret it.
So that is it.
Yeah.
As I'm talking to you, the person you're looking at is the chief security officer to His Royal Majesty.
Hey!
Personal guard.
Igwe has made you his...
No. Igwe did not make me. I made myself what I wanted to become. The chi that sent me is with me.
Hey! Prisoner to the king's personal guard.
What the Lord cannot do.
Does not exist. Hey! Chelukwa, my daughter, what about the case that took you to the palace?
Flashback.
Ifochie.
You see that girl? She will not stay here. I will make sure she is sent to the evil forest where she belongs.
Mother, the thing is, she has delivered her interpretations to father's dream. And whatever appeal she has to make does not make any difference. Because she still has a case to answer.
But you see, father is the problem here. I mean, father does not see this from our own point of view.
What do you mean by that? Why did you say that?
Because father already made this girl his personal bodyguard.
And you think I will sit and allow that to happen? Never. I will go to Nollywood house and make sure that she is given the position as tradition and custom demands.
Oh, come on, mother. We all know father is very stubborn.
Greetings, my queen.
What is it?
There is a man outside saying that he wants to see the king.
Who is he?
I don't know him, my queen. But he was among those boys that brought Orena here.
Was he the one banging the gate?
Yes, my queen.
I see evil going on, the perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy, and they planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise, but the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne?
Were you the one banging the gate? Greetings, my friends. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
Greetings, my queen. Yes, my prince. What brought you here? My queen. Please, I'm here to see the Igwe. The gods are after my life.
What do you mean by the gods after your life? Why are the gods after your life, and what has it got to do with Igwe?
Speak! My queen, we lied against an innocent girl.
Can you repeat yourself?
My queen, we are three. Okota, Nnamdi, and I. Okota forced her to lie against Urenda because she refused to sleep with him. We did not catch her with any man.
Wait, you mean she did not commit the fornication you guys accused her of? Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, my prince. She's innocent.
Are you serious?
Yes, my princess.
Oh my God, this is unbelievable. I would not have you come and lie to this royal home. Now tell me, how much did she offer you to come and say this rubbish here?
Nothing, my queen. Since we brought her here, I have not set my eyes on her.
Mother, what are you trying to say?
He knows exactly what I'm talking about. There were three that came here the first time. Why is it that he is the only one that came back? That girl must have bribed him to say this rubbish.
She didn't. I've not set my...
Now listen! Listen carefully. If I hear you say this rubbish outside this home, you must pay with your life. I will make sure you pay with your miserable life. Get! Show him the way to the gate and make sure you lock the door. If I see him in this palace any other time, I'll make sure I skin you up. Show him to the gate and make sure you lock the gate after him.
She's innocent. Move. My queen.
I said leave!
Move. She's innocent. Please.
Move.
She did not commit. She did not commit.
Move!
My queen.
Move.
She's innocent.
Move!
If I see him here next time, you pay with your life. Nonsense!
What is mother up to?
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy, and they're planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is, who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? I Simba, yeah, Simba,
Okay. Is it not Okuda? It's the one now. What is wrong with him? I am even surprised. Why is he running without anyone pursuing him? Are you think all is well with him?
From all indications, it is not all with him.
It is not all well with him at all. Why is he running? Ichiodo, see, strange things have started happening in our land. From that incident that happened in the palace the other day, with this one now, how can Okota of all people running and shouting, not just running, no, shouting without anyone after him? Then I know how that gonna happen.
The almighty Okuda
running
for who?
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. Oh, pleading for mercy, and they're planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is,
Your father must not know anything concerning what that idiot came to say. He lied. That girl, Urena, she is up to something.
Mother, but don't you think that you're making a big mistake here? I mean, the fears in that guy's eyes tells that he's telling the truth.
I know what I saw. Do not argue with me over this. Mother, I still think that Urena did not send that guy. I am your mother. Do exactly what I asked you to do. I know more than you do. I've been here before you. Just obey me. Your father must not know about it.
Simba, yeah, Simba, yeah, Simba, 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 yo, 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 Simba, 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 yo, yo, yo.
Are you okay? You have not talked to me since you returned from the palace. What did the king say?
I did not see him. I met with the queen.
Okay.
And she sent me away. She said that Urena paid me to lie against the royal family.
Jesus Christ. Why would she say a thing like that? Did you tell her what you are passing through?
She never gave me the chance to say all of this. She sent me away and warned the guard never to allow me to step my foot into this palace again.
This is bad. This is bad. So, what are you going to do now?
I don't know yet.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Okota,
Your Majesty.
why have you not presented the man my husband asked you and your colleagues to present?
Your Majesty, we've been on it, but we've searched everywhere, but we couldn't find him. But we are still on it, Your Majesty.
Let's have a word aside.
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy and they're planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba, yeah.
What does she want?
Babe, it's a secret. I need to rush somewhere now to tidy one or two. I'll be back soon, okay? Just go inside and wait for me.
She offered Okonta more.
I know Okonta very well. She will not discuss that with me. And I must find out. Oh no. I have been having sleepless nights since then. Now that the girl has resumed her duties, everything I said to my husband falls on deaf ear. That is the reason I am here to tell you. Oh no. I want you to meet with the other elders to convince him to do the right thing before it will be too late.
Your Majesty, the king has refused to listen to anyone.
Then why are you the Ono? Is it not your duty to convince him? You are his legal advisor. Convince him to send the girl away.
Igwe is waiting for the man she was accused of sleeping with to be brought before him.
If that is what you want, there is no problem. He will be provided.
Once that is done, and the man owns up to the crime, then two of them will be banished from this land.
Good. Meet with the elders. Let all of you have one voice.
Promise I'll do that. Promise.
I will take my leave now. No.
I appreciate all you do for this land. May the will of the gods be done.
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy and they're planning more evil. So many enemies.
Please, you have to search yourself.
I don't get it. I should search myself. Meaning what?
My brain is for security purposes. Search yourself. What do you want me to do?
I should search myself. Have you lost it? What is wrong with you?
I am sorry if you feel this way, but there is no way I will allow you to enter the king's chamber if you do not search yourself.
There is nothing I will not say in this palace. What is the meaning of this? What's going on? Can you just imagine? Can you imagine this local urchin? She says that I must search myself, else she searches me before I enter my own husband's room. Excuse you. How? Why?
Answer! That is the standard, my princess. You have to search yourself too before you can enter the king's chamber. Else, I might not be able to grant you access.
Reina, this is not fair. My mother is the queen of this kingdom. And you need to accord her the respect due her. You cannot be searching her to enter her husband's room.
I have maximum respect for her royal majesty. But I must have to do my job. That is why I'm here. He who sent me will be disappointed if I don't do what I'm here to do. Moreover, the queen has been out for some hours. No one knows where she went to or who she went to see.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what she just said?
Are you willing to search yourself or you want to go out your challenges?
Urena, can you let me talk to my mother?
Take your time.
Yes. Search yourself. And I will search myself. It is father that needs to talk to.
You see the embarrassment your father is causing me in this palace. Have you seen it?
Let's just search ourselves too.
Now, how do you want the searching to be? Tell me.
The searching.
What was my wife doing at that young man's house and don't know whose house? Is there something she is not telling me?
Your Majesty, I can take everything, but not this. Not this embarrassment from that local urchin, that nitwit. Could you imagine? How can she prevent me from entering my husband's room unless I'm being searched? For what? Honestly, father, this is not funny at all. If this is the reason she's here, then she has to leave.
Just understand she's doing her job. She will remember her dreams, the interpretation that we have enemy with. I mean, enemy in disguise. So we have to be careful. Nobody is to be trusted.
Your Majesty, are you the one saying this? What has she given to you?
My queen.
Father, I cannot believe this is happening in this palace. Are you not treating your family like this because of whatever she said?
Understand that security is everybody's business. See, we have to be security conscious. It won't last forever, it's just for a moment. So bear with us. It's for the good of this kingdom and good of our own family.
My queen, your time is up.
Excuse you?
My princess, I'm sorry about how you feel, but you have to follow the protocol.
What nonsense protocol? Your Majesty, you are not saying anything.
Obey her command.
Yes, Father.
It's for our own good.
Obey.
My queen, I suggest you retire to your chambers with your daughter. When the king needs your attention for anything, we will call for you. For now, the king deserves to rest.
What nonsense!
Greetings, my king. My king, are you okay? Permit me to retire to my post.
This is the height of it all. Your father was there and he couldn't utter a word. Can you believe it? That father does not believe any member of our family anymore just because of this girl.
I can't believe this is happening in this palace. How could father? How could father?
Your father has lost it, but I will not allow that girl to have her way in this palace. Never.
This one came unexpected. I mean, what's really a motive in this palace?
That is what we really need to find out.
Greetings, house. The king is sleeping and he does not make noise.
Wait, what is wrong with you? Are you okay? Did you come here to constitute nuisance?
What nuisance? I just said that the king does not need disturbance. He wants absolute silence. Thank you.
Mother, can you imagine?
We are in big trouble. Can you imagine? Just look at her. You see that girl? I will kill her with my bare hands and wait for the consequence.
No, mother, I will not wait for you to do that. Right now, I must get to the root of this matter. Nonsense.
everyone, the elders of this land, and tell them what's actually going on. Can you imagine that she now gives orders in this forest like this palace belongs to her?
Father! How dare you barge into my room like that? What's wrong with you?
Father, I am not happy. What is Urena still doing in this palace, Father? Did you keep her here to traumatize and become a nightmare to this royal family?
What are you talking about? Urena is here for our personal security. Look, I don't want anything that will make that my dream, the dream I had, to come to reality.
Father, at this point, I'm sorry, I don't care. Yes, I just want her to leave so that we can have peace in this house. Though she has been proven innocent, but I don't care.
Oh, did you just say she was proven innocent? No, by who?
No, but you just said it now. I mean, maybe, but I don't care, Father. She just have to leave so we can have peace.
Now listen, let me warn you. You dare not raise your voice at me. I remain the king of this kingdom and your father. No one questions my authority.
Father, I am sorry, I'm not...
Well, you can leave my presence. Yes, because I do not want anything that will make that dream to come to reality. At this point, you must subject yourself to the authority of my chief personal secretary. Yes, even with the discomfort that comes with it.
Father!
Oh, leave my presence now.
Fine.
I said you can leave.
I thought you were harmless.
I am harmless, my friends. I'm only doing the job I am called to do.
You lie. You brought chaos into this royal family.
That's what you think, but that's not the truth.
Listen, very good. Just know that I've got my eyes on you. And very soon, I'll kick you out of this palace.
That won't still stop me from doing the job I'm called to do.
Get out of my way.
I need to search you before you leave my place.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that.
You're just coming from His Royal Majesty's room, so I need to search you before you leave.
Oh, Rena, do not get me out of character. If they try to stop, I swear by the God, I'll kick your face. Get out!
Do not try the Lord your God. I will do my job, my prince.
Rena, you won't like how it will end. I swear by the God, you won't like how it will end.
I don't mind dying on duty. I will do my job.
Everybody's fine.
Oh my God, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. You're looking so good yourself.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway, guard, bring the bag. Bring it. Take it inside.
Thank you.
Not now. She goes nowhere till I search her bag. What is this? I need to know who she is. Who are you? I am the Chief Security Officer to His Royal Majesty. You do not have the right to enter the palace unless I search your bag.
What is she talking about? Urena, will you stop this nonsense? Stop what? You are talking to the future queen of this land. She is betrothed to my brother.
That's not the point here.
What is the point?
The enemy we are talking about is in disguise. Everyone is a suspect, and I'm not leaving any stone untouched. I must search her bag, else she will not be able to enter the palace.
You will do no such thing.
What is she even talking about? No, she can't go inside. I'm doing my job myself.
My love.
Oh, honey.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, how are you doing?
I'm alright. I miss you. Come around. Turn around.
Oh.
looking so extra carefully created. What happened?
Thank you, my love.
Please get a box inside.
No,
Let's go.
not yet. I've not searched her. Who is this thing
Wait,
that
wait,
refused
I
me
hope
access into this house?
I hope you did not pull your drama at my fiancé.
She did!
She did!
She has been doing that. She has gone bonkers. It's not called drama, it's security measures. I cannot allow any soul to enter the royal household without proper search.
What stupid security is she talking? Get that box inside!
My prince, do not stop me from doing my job. If you do, I will report to your father the king, and he might not take it lightly with you. And who gave you such powers? He who sent me gave me the powers. Yes,
imagine?
The enemy we are talking about is in disguise. I will not allow any evil to befall this household. As the chief security officer to His Royal Majesty, I say she must bring her bag for search, else she will not enter.
Yes,
Fine!
I order you!
Okay.
No, listen,
Honey,
no,
honey,
I won't let her do that. Get that box inside!
Please!
Get that box to my...
The box! That box should not exceed here until it's properly searched. I wonder who you think it's fine! This is not your palace!
What is your problem?
I am tired of all these searches.
Okay, you want to search, fight? Fine, search! Do your job.
Open your bag.
Open it yourself. Don't open that bag. Let her open it.
That's not my job, my princess. She has to open it herself.
Open the bag.
Why are you harassing me? What have I done? Who is harassing you? You know the girl harassing. I said move.
Can I know my offense?
Come on, shut up, man.
Can I know my offense? What have I done?
Come on, shut up your mouth. What have you not done? Come on, follow us.
What is my offense now?
Oga, when you get to the palace, if I won't do that, if I have to die, come on, follow us also. What have I done? You want to know your offense? When you go to get to the palace, why are you even wearing this palace? Your palace come. Oh, you're not my palace. What am I doing here? Remove this palace. What am I doing in the palace? Move. Come on, move. Move. I will check you for your innocence. I will check you up. Innocence of what? I will check you up.
This thing Orena is doing in this palace. So do you think she's telling the royal house the truth? I don't like that girl for anything. Listen, let me tell you. I think that girl is using this royal family. But not to worry. One day, every hidden secret will be exposed. I don't understand. What do you mean?
Who is this man and what is his offense?
My friend, he is the vagabond fornicating with Urena inside the bush. The idiot has been on the run for long now. But unfortunately for him today, we caught him.
No, my queen, I'm innocent. I don't know that name. I'm innocent.
Shut up!
Hush!
Move!
Guard!
Yes, my queen.
Lock him up in the dark room.
No.
Take him away immediately.
My queen, I'm innocent. I don't know that name. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Will you hush?
I'm innocent.
Lock him up. Okota, the king is having his siesta right now. Come back in the evening to testify.
Alright, my queen. One day. Iwa.
Come on, just one leg now.
Mother. Mother! You know that man is innocent. You also know that Urena is innocent.
Let me not hear that word again. Even if Urena is innocent, I'll use this opportunity to drive her out of this palace.
And that man? You want him to suffer for something he knows nothing about?
Hush! Oledo, hush it! One more word from you, I'll give you a dirty slap. Okay. Nobody can stop me. Innocent or not, Urena belongs to the evil forest, and I'll make sure she will go there. I don't care who pays the price.
I see evil going on, the perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy, and they're planning more evil.
For Christ's sake, you are the future king of this great kingdom. Therefore, you should not let your father to allow such person into this palace.
My father is still the king of this land. I can't question his decision.
Meaning, you cannot call him to order even when he errs? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Please, for arguing.
Call a spade a spade. That girl committed an abomination and deserves to be banished according to your custom and tradition. Or do you want to change it?
Listen, a young man came here and testified that she's innocent. But my mother practically refused to believe her. What would you have me do? She even warned that we shouldn't tell father about it.
So you believe them? That your own mother? No, I want to understand. Oh, no.
Who is this? Oledo, what is it? What happened?
Can you imagine? Okuta brought a man here this afternoon, saying that he was the man they caught with Urena in the bush. All for the man to be crying and pleading that he's innocent, and mother still ordered the guards to lock him up. Can you imagine that?
Oledo, Urena needs to leave this house. Yes. She needs to leave, and whatever means mother could use, let her use. I'm tired.
At the detriment of an innocent man? Never. I will never let it happen. He will not suffer for something he knows nothing about.
And how are you going to do that? We all know mother will let you obstruct her plans, so how are you going to do that?
Oh, really? That means you leave me with no other option than to tell father the whole truth.
Don't even dare try to tell father. Did you hear me? Oledo!
Why would she say that? Honey, that girl must leave this palace today. Yes! I will not allow your sister to stop the queen. Never! Never will I do that.
Okay.
Security alert. As the personal guard to His Royal Majesty, I'm here to give you this order today. Do not open the gate for anyone without my consent. Hope you heard me. No one should leave or enter this palace without my consent.
What are you saying? Are you saying we should not open the gate for the queen, the prince, or the princess?
Not even your shadow.
That's not possible. How can you give us such order?
How dare you defy my order? What impetus do you have to defy my order? If you do not love your job, do otherwise. I must do the job of He who sent me, and none of you can stop me.
Did I just hear you say the king's order?
You heard her. I think the Igwe gave her the instructions. Never can tell.
Yes, I heard you. I understood everything you said. Yes. I'll look for a way to help her. Alright. I'll help her. Alright, take care.
The question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba,
Finally,
I am standing in front of Okota, the snitch.
How may I help you, Obinna Afamefuna?
Okota, why do you take so much pleasure in accusing people for crimes that they do not commit? And who was that man you took to the palace this afternoon?
And how is that supposed to be your business? I've warned you before to stay away from my affairs. Are you there for something? Are you mad to ask me questions?
Okota, you can keep blabbing for all I care. But you need to stop this you're doing. Okota, you need to stop this. For what you are doing is not right.
Unfortunate European. Abino. Who are you to tell me what to do? And who are you to tell me what is right and what is wrong? Unfortunate European, let me remind you, in case if you don't know, you are not from this village. Yes. I call you unfortunate European for a reason. Go home and ask your mother where you're from. We are the indigenous of this village. So you can't come here to tell me how to run my affairs in my own village. If I want to tell you who you are, I will call you bastard, but let me keep that word for another day. But let me warn you, nobody try and seize my caliber and remain the same. Mind the way you talk to me. I'm not your mate.
You can keep blabbing for all I care. The word is enough for the wise. You know I'm not scared of you and I'm ever ready for you. If you keep doing this, you won't last long. I can bet you on that.
You are too small for me to fight. You are too small for me to fight. Overblown baby elephant. You are too small for me to fight. But I have my eyes on you. I am coming for you. I have my eyes. Okuta. Ask yourself, what is the meaning of Okuta? Okuta Oburu. Okuta Mburu. That is my name.
A word.
I am not afraid of anybody.
It's enough for the wise.
I am coming for you, Obinna Afamefuna. Wait for a while, you see me coming. Obinna Afamefuna.
See evil going on, the perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy, and they're planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise, but the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba, yeah, Simba, yeah, Simba, Simba, yo, 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 Simba, Simba.
My friend, you are here.
Yeah, Anita, how are you?
I am fine. Permission to join you. My friend, there is something I want to tell you.
Hope all is well.
Yes. The princess came to our room this afternoon and she was very angry about you.
My daughter?
Yes. My friend, she said she's going to tell the king that Urena is innocent.
Oledo said that?
Yes, my friend. I was with the prince when she said it.
Here she is. Oledo, what are you doing here? Disturbing your father while he should be having his siesta? When I came in, your father was already awake.
Who is the man that was brought here this afternoon?
Oh, Your Majesty, that is the reason I'm here. But first, Oledo, I want to see you outside. Now, I'm coming, Your Majesty. Follow me now. Okay, father. I'll be right back.
Why is she angry with our daughter?
innocent is pleading for mercy, and they're planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise, but the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba, Simba.
What did you tell your father?
Nothing.
Did you not tell him about the man that was brought here today?
Yes, I did.
And what again did you tell him?
Mother, why are you sounding this way?
Did you not say that you will tell your father that Urenna is innocent? So do not lie to me because Anita have told me everything.
Anita? Did I have any discussion with Anita?
Was she not there when you told your brother?
How did she come to you and say such nonsense? I was talking to my brother, not her. How dare she?
Hush! I do not care what transpired between both of you. But I want you to know that if you dare tell your father anything, you will regret having me as your mother. Nonsense. Just try me, you will see.
Mama, I have to go back to the palace. As far as I'm concerned, there is no security in the palace without me.
So, may the gods of our land be with you and give you more wisdom.
You know the king's life is in my hand. It all started the day I interpreted that dream, though. That was how my life changed.
Really, I'm super proud of you. Just when people thought you'd be banished from the village, boom, everything changed.
My going to that palace was destined for greatness. I'm telling you the truth. God knows. He who sent me knows why he sent me. And I am doing the work he has sent me to do. Exactly. I need to go back. Thank God for you.
Well.
Hey, thank you.
Well,
thank you. Mama, take care of yourself.
I will. Mama, let me see her up. I'll come and see you.
It's okay. Can we try to follow? Back to the position. Ma, oh, I forgot to hold you. Sorry. I don't know spirit in the see you later, ma. Mama, for you. Bye bye. Bye.
Okota!
What you're people doing? You already leave. Let's go to the palace. You see, there is a problem. What happened? If we go to the palace, the king will arrest us. Why? What happened? I meant to go on my way to this place. See, listen. I don't want to hear anything concerning that vagabond again. I thought he ran away from this village. Is he back? Can you just listen to what he told me? See, I don't want to. Anything concerning that guy is irrelevant to me. Let's go to the palace, please. Then you have to go alone. Ugo told me he went to the palace and confessed that Urenna is innocent. Listen. You are not a fool. You and I know that guy don't have that mind, that God to go to the palace to confess. It's not possible. It's not possible. Let me tell you something. It is not a lie, though. It is not a lie. This is the reason Urenna is free in that palace. Her freedom is because of what he confessed. Namdi, let me tell you something. I have someone inside our palace. Urenna was free because she interpreted Igwe's dream and nothing more. But anyways, let me call the queen to confirm. Let me get my phone inside to call the queen to confirm. You have to call. I think get queen number.
Anita, how could you? How dare you go to my mother and say things that do not concern you?
Oh, lady, it concerns me because I will not be here and watch you stop mother from throwing that witch out of this palace.
And how does that concern you? You are not yet a member of this family, and you have no right whatsoever to meddle in the affairs that concern this family.
makes me a member of this family. Do you understand?
Really?
Yes.
You know, I will let this matter slide now because of the love I have for my brother.
Oledo, do not threaten me. Don't dare me. Forget the fact that you're a princess. You are not much to me in any way you can think of. And you will not do anything to me. Yes.
Try this time. I want me to kick you out of this family.
You dare not, Oledo. Dare me. And see. My waist.
Honey?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are you alright?
Honey.
What is it? I hate a loud voice.
Your sister came here to warn me. For exposing her plan to bring mother.
Wait, honey, did you tell mother about my sister's plan? Did you?
Yes, I did. Honey, I have to stop your sister before she stops her. I have to stop her.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, no. You have to call your sister to order. Call her to order.
It's okay, I'll caution her, okay? I'll caution her, alright?
You have to do it now. Or I will leave this palace. You will not see me
No,
again. You have to do it. You have to do it now.
Alright.
My waist. She put me down. Ola! She insulted me.
Okay, I'll do it now. Ola!
Come back here! Oledo, how dare you walk out of me? Are you insane?
Insane? Me insane? Please. I do not have time for your cockable stories. Just tell your girlfriend to mind her business.
Oledo, what gave you the guts to talk back at me in that tone? Do you realize I'm your elder brother?
And so? And so what? What makes you think that I cannot talk to you the way I deem fit? Ahana, please. Hapumaka, leave me alone.
Mother, warn your daughter.
Warn her!
Why would you talk back at your elder brother? By the way, what is the problem?
Mother, she insulted my fiancée. Calling her names simply because she reported her to you. Can you imagine?
Mr. President, just bear it in mind that I will not keep quiet forever.
We are in a period of security check. As such, nothing should be hidden from His Royal Majesty and his personal guard on security.
Shut up.
The princess just said she will not keep quiet forever. That simply means there's something she knows but might have been threatened not to speak about it. The Igwe needs to hear this.
Urena, I will not allow you to bring further problems in this palace. Never!
Yes, I'll be in Abuja by the end of the month. No. I'll call you right back.
Honey, you need to come with me immediately.
What's the problem?
They have brought that man to testify against Urena. That girl is leaving this palace today.
Well, I doubt it's going to work because Urena is truly innocent.
Don't get me angry. The man she fornicated with is here to testify. Are you coming with me or not?
It's alright, honey. Shall we?
Young man, all I want from you is the truth. Nothing but the truth. Now tell me, do you know this lady?
Are you deaf? Okay. Answer the king. Speak.
I'll say the truth.
Yes, I know her.
And who is she to you?
Igwe. She's my mistress. We were caught making out in the bush together.
How did the wind do this?
Iwe, this boy is a liar. I've never seen him all my life.
Will you keep quiet? He just said both of you were caught making out in the bush.
That's a lie. I don't know who gave him the script he's reading, but I'm sure someone must have paid him to lie against him.
Igwe, nobody paid me anything. We were caught making out before Okonta came to the picture.
Now I'm confused. Young man.
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure you're speaking the truth?
Yes, my princess. I'm very sure.
Your Majesty, you have heard him. So, Urenna should be sent out immediately.
Yes.
Okay. This story that is trending, that is going all over the village, that the man that fornicated with Urena has been caught and also has been taken to the palace. Is it true?
My brother, I cannot say. But if truly the man has been caught, why haven't Igwe summoned us so that Urena will leave this village?
I thought as much. Have you seen Onowu today?
No. Should we go to his house and ask him?
I think that's exactly what we should do. Let us.
What's up?
How will I know?
Is it not one of the boys that took that man that fornicated with Urona to the palace? Can't
you see he's running like a madman? Maybe a force is attacking him. Yes. Can't you see?
Please, let's go to Olowu's house that we're going.
Hey!
I thought the gods have vindicated my daughter. What is this news I'm hearing everywhere? That the man that fornicated with my daughter has been caught and took to the palace. Mama, why are you crying? Have you not heard about the man Okonta and his friend took to the palace? Huh. Mama, you need to stop crying. Haven't you heard the latest news? What? Huh. Mama, the gods are at work. They are really fighting for Urena. Do you know what happened today at the palace? Okonta and his friends, they were mercilessly flogged by an unseen force. Ha! Obuko belly fell. They had to war for their lives. Those boys. Chilukwa. Are you telling me that my daughter is innocent? One, do you need to be told? I even wonder where they brought that man to testify against you now. Hey! Who is doing this to my daughter? Mama, it is Okota and his friends. But those boys, they will never have peace until they confess. Don't worry. Stop crying. I don't like seeing you like this. I'm sorry. Stop crying. Mama.
I see evil going on. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy? And the planning all evil.
That girl is behind all this. She is using her magic power on this family to cover up her evil.
I would advise you don't say what you know nothing about.
Honey, I am sure of what I'm saying. That man accepted they did it. Then suddenly, that thing happened.
Did she bewitch my mother too?
Yes! She did! Because she found out the queen wanted to expose her. I know what I am saying. We need to ask Urena what happened to these people.
If what you just said is true, then Urena must leave this palace at once.
She has to leave this palace. It's true!
I felt so ashamed of myself today. This Urena, this girl is not an ordinary human being. No. Can you just imagine when I have almost succeeded and she just spoils everything for me?
Mother, I'm not so sorry that will happen.
I hope you're not here to say rubbish. If so, you better leave my room.
Mother, it's just a word of advice.
I said leave my room immediately. Leave!
Okay, Mom, I'll leave. Oh, we are now complete. My friend, are you alright?
Yes, my daughter, I'm fine. You see that girl, Urena? She's using black magic on all of us in this palace.
Honey, did you hear that? Thank the gods Mother was not there when I said this to you this afternoon.
Mother, are you sure about what you just said to me? Are you sure?
Mother, you better speak the truth. Before you land yourself in trouble. It is not Urena that is fighting, it is the gods that are fighting for her.
May your tongue be glued to your palate.
Mother,
if you say that to me again, I will land a dirty slap on your face. Idiot. Get out of my sight immediately. I said get out of my room.
I'll leave. But just a word.
Get out! I'm not sure I'm the one that vexed you.
Oh, Mother, I don't know why Onido is trying to bring confusion in this family.
I wonder.
We all saw what happened there.
Mother, I'll make my findings. I need to know the truth.
Honey, are you still doubting your mother over what your sister said?
Son, did you hear what your betrothed said? I am your mother. You need to listen to me and believe me. I cannot lie to you. You see that girl, Urena? She's using black magic on all of us in this palace.
Exactly.
Your father has been a victim from the onset. So, please, you have to believe your mother. I cannot lie to you. Please.
Honey, listen to your mother. Honey? My friend, don't worry yourself. That girl is leaving this palace today.
Look at Urena. She's turning my children against me in my own house.
Fine. I just want you to know that I am with you on this one. Trust me.
My king, I suspect that the enemy is at very close. That's why they want to eliminate him. You see that boy? He was sent and paid to lie against me. Because I've never met him.
Father! How dare you barge into my room, young man?
Greetings, my friend.
How you dare go to me, Father? This girl is a suspect. She must tell us the meaning of what she displayed out there.
How do you mean?
So that it's clear. It's clear that she's using a black magic on this royal family.
You withdraw that statement. You have no proof to it.
Father, what other proof are you looking for? Tell me. We're not there when the man admitted that he slept with her?
I did not sleep with him. I do not even know who he is. I've never met him before.
It's clear that you're holding my father hostage because of your dream interpretation, but let me make this clear and a clear warning to you. I will get to the root of this matter, and when I'm done, I will kick you out of this palace.
That's when I'm normal. Well, yes.
My friend,
I'm only doing the job he who sent me asked me to do. At the end of the day, you'll be proud of me.
Sure.
My king, hope you are okay with my services.
You are very wonderful. I am excellently happy with you. You are perfect.
Thank you, my king.
So you no longer talk? Why are you not saying anything? Anyway, you heard what I just said. No one else must know I was here. Am I understood? Good. Son.
Mother.
Why are you here?
Why are you here, Mother? Well, as for me, I came to find out the truth.
Exactly something I was here for. But unfortunately, Urena's magic is working on him. He could no longer talk.
No, he has to talk. I need to find out the truth. He has to talk. Talk.
I've been here for the past 10 years. He hasn't said a word.
You say something. Talk. Did you actually sleep with Urena? Did you?
Son, listen. Not now. He's not ready to talk.
My king, please do not eat the food.
Why?
The chef has to taste the food.
Is she suspecting the chef?
Who cares? I'm eating mine already.
Why are you doing this and why are you saying this? Are you suspecting the chef?
Everybody is a suspect. Yes. The king needs to be saved by all means. I am doing the work he who sent me asked me to do, and I am not going to stop. So, the chef needs to have a taste of the meal before the king can continue. As I said earlier, the enemies are waiting to give us an unexpected attack. I wouldn't want our fear to happen. Chef, have a taste of the meal.
You heard what she said? tasty food.
Why are you doing this? Are you suspecting the chef?
My queen, please take the fork and put some in her palm. She should not use the first fork. Have it, please.
Go ahead.
After 5 minutes and nothing happens, you can continue with your meal, my king.
I hope you're checking your time.
Are you okay? My king, the food is certified. You can go and
What is going on here? Who are you? Are you guys drunk? Eh? You guys are drunk. You got drunk last night. I'm asking you, talk to me. Eh?
Will you tell me the truth or you want me to report to the king? Who gave you the drink that got you drunk?
I bought the drink myself.
None of you left the palace yesterday, so how did you buy the drink?
My younger brother brought the drink.
You and I know you're not saying the truth. But at the right time, you will definitely speak.
Uche, you never told us that it was your younger brother that brought the drink. I think the drink was spiked.
You are right. How could a small keg of palm wine be knocked us off like that?
Look, I think we should forget about this for now. Let's go and shower. We are smelling. Are you smelling?
Where is the young man Igwe asked you to summon?
Your Majesty, he is dead.
What? That cannot be true.
I went to the room and I saw him lying down on the floor lifeless.
What is going on here? The enemy has struck again. People need to be here.
You shut him up, not the time.
Okay? This is called for security for just life.